What's going on, guys? We're here with another video. So a few people been on Kuzos' ass. If some of y'all don't know, Kuzo has a 2019 Honda Accord as well, just like mine. I was right over there. So he got an Accord, and I actually sold him my coilovers, my BC coilovers. So let me show you what these are. Let me see them. Okay. So we're gonna be putting these bad boys on. So these are your rears, and then you got your fronts right here, boys. So this was my old setup for a couple months, and yeah, man, we're gonna be putting those on. And what else you got? Cause of the
tail lights.
Oh yeah, he's also got some new V3 tail lights, but that's gonna be on another video. We're gonna be putting those on, and the SPC camber kit. So we're gonna put these on as well. So Kuzo already kind of got a head start. Is that right, Kuzo? What do you gotta say to the people, Kuzo?
It's going down.
Finally.
That's it?
He had a whole speech, Kuzo.
I had a whole speech at like 9 o'clock when y'all said y'all were gonna be here at 9.
Well, we're here now. We're a little late, but so Cuz in there trying to get the left side out first. What are you looking like, Cuz? There it is.
Look at that.
Should be paying that putting it on, no?
That's a pain in the ass, yeah.
All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be installing the coilovers on Kuzo's car, or trying. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but you know what you're doing?
I'm gonna record.
Big sick, I'm gonna record. Alright, so we're gonna try to do the camber kit first, and then do the rear coils, and then do the front, because I think the front should be a lot easier than the rear. So got a little more work to do in the rear. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, boys, so we're under here. So I don't know if y'all can see, there's like a bolt. Oh yeah, we can't see shit.
See the camera?
Oh, the gimbal's messing up. So we're trying to get to this bolt right here. It's a pain in the ass. And then because I already got this one, the one right here, and the front, this is the easy one.
This is the easy one. The hard one is the one.
The one in the back, but we already got it, so we're just tying this bad boy up.
Damn, this motherfucker's hard.
I don't have a nut at the end.
It has a nut on the back end. Here. Hold on, cousin. Bring back.
Okay.
Go. Trust me, I still work for like 20 minutes with screwing.
You can't get the impact in there?
Nah, there's no room. There's no room.
So after you do that, that's on there?
That's on there after that.
Yeah.
And then take this off, shoot this off. We can put this side on. You see why they charge so fucking much for this car. How much they charge you to put it on the first time?
I don't think I saw it even new. Clarence does. Clarence, oh bro, I charge like 140 per side. Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
But so long as bolt, you got no room to, so you gotta keep on fuck, I'm out of breath. And keep jerking that bad boy. Straight up. You gotta keep going. So that's it. That's that. Because we're just gonna tighten this one. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one. Doesn't it go on this side or this side?
I think it goes right here.
You gotta get my car just to make sure.
Yeah. Check it out.
But yeah, so that's tight. I think it needs to go the other way, though.
Probably adjust the camera myself.
I'm gonna adjust the camera myself. But once you get in alignment, I'll adjust it. So we're gonna look at my car for reference. That, well, it's not a big deal.
Okay, so
So that's it. That's downside already.
Yeah,
This one.
this is done.
So the back one's done.
Now we gotta shoot the shock off, shoot this off, bring on the spring.
So Do you just want to do, or you want to just go ahead and do the coils on this one?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay. I don't know if you wanted to do that camber kit on that side.
No, ain't no point in dropping it and jacking it up over there.
So want to do that side?
Might as well just do it now.
The coils?
Yeah.
Alright, that's how I feel right now. That's why I wore this hat. But, alright, so I guess that's the next time of attack. Put on the coils.
This is soft right here, right?
Well, I don't know what I had it at.
So that's all the way soft.
Yeah. I think you got like 13 clicks. So it's just adjusting the dampening. Damn, because they should have left it where I had it.
No, I'll just do one.
Because of finally dropping this car.
Do three like that.
You're going to be on hard like a mother.
Is that hard? This is all the way soft. If I go this way?
Well, remember each click is adjusting it, not one full rotation.
Oh, okay. So this is all the way soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. We'll do 11.
So we're doing 11 clicks hard. 11, don't forget that on the other one.
And then we're just gonna max this out too.
You gotta adjust it on the screen. Don't mess with this one.
I know. I'll just do
On
it
the
like
collar.
Micah Diaz, guys. I'm gonna slam it.
Alright, so what do we need?
Probably 17 again.
Which one's this one on here?
Probably 17. Yeah, 17.
Damn, we need the damn.
La pistola?
We gotta take that out to take this out first, or what?
Yeah, so we're gonna put the jack under here, and then we're gonna shoot this off, and then this is gonna come down.
You know what we need? You know the little thing that goes. It swivels. You know what I'm talking about?
Swivel.
Yeah, a swivel. You put it on and with the pistola.
Well, yeah, but that's what
Come
I'm saying.
Right
That's
there.
what I'm saying. Put the jack under here so it catches it.
All
This is
right.
under pressure a little bit still. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Put the jack under here and we shoot this bolt out. This is gonna come out, and then we lower the jack slowly. The spring comes out, and then you have room to put the shock in, and then you take the shock out.
Okay.
Let me see the jack.
Do it, pal. What's up there? You sure it's tight. Do you have tools for that?
Yeah. A small drawer on the top.
This one?
Yeah, there should be some K-Sport stuff in there. If not, sure, try the next one down.
I need to look at our old video. Porque la verdad no me acuerdo. Oh, they like that.
Daddy.
I can't even get in there with this one, honey.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
You need the.
Too big?
Yeah. You need a socket? You got the 1/2 inch? Adapter?
Adapter, air hose.
My bad. Get in there, huh?
I need to do something.
What?
Where's the cardboard?
You got the 212s up top?
Yep.
Dang, so is it from the bottom then, Kuzo?
Yeah, so it's 212s, 212 mils up on top, and then a 17 right at the bottom. Kuzo?
Yeah.
And a 17 up at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. You gotta get it to the trunk.
Oh, like the old Hondas?
Yeah. Now we just need an Allen key. And probably gonna shoot this off a little bit. That way this comes up. Alright, so on the OEM one, you gotta take off this little, let me see, top piece. The top piece comes on the OEM one, so you take it off and you put the new one on, tighten it up, and shit, that's it. You ready to go?
Ready to play?
Ready to
Play with the big
ready
boys.
to install. So now we gotta put the 212s, the 17 up at the bottom. And brand new, bro. Brand new. Look at the bushy. Necesito.
These don't matter that left or right, right?
Hmm? No.
Y'all did a good job.
Well, the camera kit is the hard part, bro. That's I do like that you could get to it from in here. The 212s,
Yeah.
that's it.
Oh,
For the
yeah,
shock, huh?
And you tightened up this one, right?
I got time.
Oh, we gotta check that one on my car. What's that?
What are you trying to do?
You know that the little nut that goes on the camera kit? I don't know if it's towards it or away from it. Probably have to lift the car up.
Well, you can't see it from there?
No. Shit.
Yeah.
Can't get to it.
That whole flexing.
Huh? Oh yeah, cause it's
Yeah. Maybe with a flashlight you can see it.
Look at the skinny ass get in there.
Yeah.
Kel's about to be dropped in the rear.
There you go, boy.
On the back left. I ain't lying, I'm sorry, it's out of there.
All that drifting he does.
People in the comments gonna be like, "You can't drift with this wrong with your car."
I can drift anything I put my fucking mind to. Oh, by the way, guys, the Honda's K-tuned. Went ahead and K-tuned it when y'all were in here. Hooked it up to the scanner. Upgraded the ECU. Gained about 20 horse to the wheels.
Cause you didn't even tighten that screw up, huh? The one I told him about?
Which one?
The camber kit one.
He locked it.
I locked it.
You liked it? Alright.
Alright. Try it again now.
Slowly.
Just drop, boys.
Hey, alright, cuz
I know the size guy's gonna cover it anyways, but still.
Yoford. Don't worry about it.
Bro.
Don't worry about it. I know a good body.
Oh, never mind, I didn't even do that. I'm tripping.
They just flexed a little bit.
Never mind, cause I went back.
Yeah, it's gonna go back. Alright, this is not.
No, I thought it was pushed in, but it went back out. That reminds me of my car. What you think, Kuzo?
Man, I want to see the done. But there's
Jesus Christ.
there's a teaser, boys. Damn, cuz and you went up a little bit, right? He went up a little bit. It would have been slimed.
Dang, you got rid of that. You should have did it before, bro.
I know.
Well, you got pictures. Let's see if you,
You know
got,
what's
you have old
fucked up?
pictures of the car?
So I can put them in.
We'll put them in.
Pictures of the car. You know what's fucked up? When we adjusted the perch, I should have had the other one side by side with it to adjust it.
Oh, you got new lights?
Yeah.
Damn, okay.
What they look like, cuz? They turn on?
You got LED bar here or what?
They look nice.
Hey guys,
Let me
go
see
to-
it.
Go to the old video. Which video is it?
The one we were doing the.
You gotta explain to
Oh, yeah,
them.
the one where we're doing the side skirts on my car again. Cuz said if he gets 50 likes, he's gonna bag his wife's Lexus.
I'll put the little link in the video.
So y'all make sure y'all go like that video. He's gonna bag it.
If it gets 50 likes, it's almost there. I think it's like at 30 something.
Cool.
Right now, I know that.
I need the difference.
Well, there's your before picture right there. Cuz I was excited, boys.
The front, I already want to fucking do it. Down, down.
Damn, looks nice.
Get that jack.
Little update, boys.
Yeah, because the first day I had it and I was driving it.
Is that that noise you kept hearing? You couldn't figure it out?
Yeah, it's the collar. It just loose. So, yeah, everything's done. So, yeah, remember, camber kit. You need a camber kit on these cars.
Hit us up.
Yeah. Nah, don't hit us up. I don't want this shit again. I do the coilovers, but not that. Alright, so now we're about to put the tire
I'll
on
do the
this one.
coilovers, I'll do the camera kit.
There you go. Yeah, the camber kit's a pain in the ass. Well, it's not a pain in the ass, it's just...
No, you can say it's a pain in
Yeah,
the ass.
you just got no room. That's all it is. You got no room, so you gotta kind of get in there. So we got it. About to put the tire on. Started raining on us. Good thing because I got a garage. So put this tire on. See what it look like. What you need, Ryan? This one?
So
Yeah. I think it's lower on this side. You remember, see, that's what I was telling you on mine. That's why I had it kind of different.
should we show them? Or should we adjust it
What does
first?
it look like? The same?
The same.
You sure?
Damn, it looks nice, bro.
Yeah.
Shit. Here,
Even with that little camera. What?
I like to show them.
Check it out.
Yeah, dude, it's the same.
Check it out, boys. Tucking. So obviously it has a little bit of camber, but once it gets in alignment, it's gonna straighten out, just like my car. Oh, oh. Oh no, yeah, you're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, no, I'm just tripping. Man, look at that. Hell yeah, bro. She looks sick, boys. What you think, Kuzo?
Looks badass. I want to see the front now.
Yeah, the front should be a lot easier. Tucking. Bag slam, bros. You already know. We ain't bagged, we slam.
What do you think, Cuzzo?
Man, it looks good. Big old Kool-Aid smile, man. I'm loving it.
That's just the rear.
Yeah, once you put that front, it's sick.
Cuzzo, excited.
Can't wait to see with the lights and everything.
And I'm gonna give him my, we're gonna swap out stocks, because my stocks got better tires.
I can feel it slide over there.
For real?
Yeah.
You got better tires, and I also got the red center caps. I know we could probably just swap out center caps, but I'm not using them. So I just give him the tires, that way he ain't gotta get tires and nothing like that. So, and I'll do the front.
If we know anything, after I get stocks, I have it like this, and I'll have to get wheels next. So.
Yeah.
Is that right?
That's wrong. Some ESRs or something, I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, well, the front should be easier.
It should, right?
Should.
That's where we stay now. Fuck.
Man, boys, guess I'm gonna have to get me a little Honda.
Camry.
Take that off.
Yeah, take off the links. So take this off, take this bracket off, and then this bottom, there should be a bottom one.
Right here.
Oh no, right back here.
That one and then.
So boom, boom, one here. What else? Oh yeah.
And then the tops.
So yeah, let me see. So it should be, what's this called? Should be one right here, the one where the lines are at. Small one, and then the big one, and then the sway bar end links. So you gotta take those off. That's it. And then the top three should be, and it should just wiggle out.
Cool.
Ready? Yeah. All right, boys. Well, about to get to it. All right. Here. What's these?
Difference.
Oh, yeah,
We've taken out the tumor.
yeah. So whenever you take out the, you good?
Yeah.
When we take off the front, what we noticed is the end link has pressure. Well, has pressure because we had it jacked up on just on one side. So the sway bar is actually trying to do its job, which is moving it or putting pressure on it. So we did jack up the other side, jack it up all even. Now it takes off the pressure, and you can move it around, and you could be able to take out the end link. At least that's how we found out. So after that, is leave the screws tied up. I know we have them on there first, and then bring it down from the bottom first, take it out, and then take out the top screws, and it should come right out. So
Be sure to have the car jacked up because you can put pressure on the screw.
yeah, that's what I was telling.
Okay.
So that's that. So that's
The stock.
that's the stocky, and there's our aftermarket BCs. So these are the BC Coilovers Extreme Lows. I don't know how many people. What series is that? What series is that? Extreme Lows. Extreme Lows. They do not have the Swift springs. Regular springs.
What else? What
Extreme
else
lows.
does this coilover have?
Hey
Is
man,
it
you need
gonna
to
have-
pay me, BC. You need to pay me. So it has the camber kit. You get adjustable camber and adjustable dampening. Just how it is right now. You go hard and soft. So
And the rear, does that have it?
the
as
rear
well?
has it as well. You can adjust the dampening there. Good. Compressor's on. All right. So we got the coil on. We just need to screw it up on top. So we're just setting it up, putting the bolt that goes right down here. Can't really see. Hold on. So this bolt that goes right down there. And then your end links, I need to tighten that up. And then you gotta put this bracket on. So we're just gonna jack it up and line it up right up there. And tighten everything up. But so far so good.
Like you did with the
Oh yeah. So, Allen key. There going now. Alright, so we're just tightening up the sway bar end links. I still gotta tighten up this bottom one as well.
In that bracket.
And then the bracket is gonna go right here.
Oh, okay.
That's it. I mean, we're gonna tighten this up first. Can you get that? Not really?
man, barely, dude.
You need a socket? Oh, you can't because you need
Yeah.
the.
There we go. Make sure these are tight.
Hold that bottom one. Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright. So everything's on. Let me tighten up this back one. I believe it's a 17.
You gotta put the bracket and everything.
Oh, I need a small one though. The small gun.
behind
They're good. Yeah, I'm gonna put the back on after.
Push in.
Alright, bracket.
But if y'all want double cheese, we got to sponsor me.
What size is this one? Here's
That should go by fast on the other side now, cause
yeah, now we know
now we know what to do.
Get those top ones. Top bolts.
Alright, those are what, 7? 14?
I think 12. That almost doesn't look normal.
It doesn't, right? God damn, Kuzos.
That just means your suspension's working, or it's not sagging.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
This ain't no eBay kit, guys.
You remember on the coilovers from, it don't matter, the coilovers from eBay we got for the Tegra?
Oh, yeah.
You remember how it used to sag, and then it'll start flexing up? Working. Everything is in one spot.
Because it's working.
Yeah, is that true?
Yeah.
Let's see what the comments say about that.
They got something to say all the time, don't matter.
That's for sure.
They're gonna be like, oh, now you need to do this. Goddamn, pay for it. You need to do this, or you need to do this. You need to get rid of the chrome. You need to. Damn, bro, pay us.
Out of our pockets.
You two paying, we ain't paying that big.
It's a hot one today, boys.
It ain't that hot, big. Hey.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
It says it's high. The one holding the camera. Come on now, pal.
You jacked up
Yeah, why the wheels turn?
because you got both sides up.
Oh, yeah. You got both sides up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I had to take off the I had to take the pressure off the sway bar. Alright, boys.
You might want to turn it straight just in case.
Yeah, I know we are. So, we had a little mishap. So we had this side on, everything was good. So, since the suspension obviously is lower on this side, the sway bar is kind of like at an angle. So we fucked up and snapped the end link on the other side. But, it's alright, we're gonna go get another one right now.
Shout out to Chris.
Yeah, shout out to
Johnny
Chris.
Eagle Honda, man. We're gonna go get it right now.
Yeah, everybody go get his part right now, so it's no big deal. We're just gonna put the new link over here on this side.
Everything should blow up.
And then put it back on.
Not gonna be under pressure.
So right, what it was is this end link was like at an angle. So whenever we're trying to take out the strut, the original strut, it kind of pretty much twisted. It twisted and it bent, and sure enough, once it was bent, we're trying to like take it off just to get it off. It snapped under pressure. So, but go get another one and come back and just put everything back together. So it is what it is. Sad clown.
We had to learn something.
Yeah.
Something had to
Let me
happen.
get my wallet and my key. I'll be back.
Something had to happen.
You good to stay here, Kuzos?
Yeah, I guess.
Sorry, man. If anybody shows up, the ring goes off.
I'm good. I'm taking him home today.
Alright, boys, we're back. Cuz already got the new link put on, well, at the bottom. So now we're good. We're golden. So now we could put everything back together. So here's the old one. Snap.
I snapped it.
Yeah. Here's what it got, a little cheeseburger. But yeah, man, we're about to put this back together. We had this side on, but we had to take it off because I had too much tension on the other side.
Straight. Like
Check out the light, boys. Can't see it. Can't see me. You know what I'm saying? Being official. So, passenger, check out that lighting. Passenger's on. You already did that?
Yeah.
Alright, make
Sway
sure.
link's already tightened up.
This one's good. This one's good. Alright.
So,
So
reason why
this
this
just-
one snapped is we had the BC one already done on the left side, and it's way shorter.
Yep.
And the right strut was like boom, so it was putting pressure on the sway bar.
Yeah.
And we was sitting.
This
up
thing,
against
the
it.
sway bars are literally like touching the lower arm. And
We got it.
so yeah, now everything just buns right up. Get that tool because I'll tighten this one up with that. Goes like that.
Twist it?
Yeah, so the piece that was on like this goes like this. this whole thing was like, I was like, fuck. It was already bad. I already saw this. I was like, it's fucked. So I told Cuz, I was like, it's fucked already. You gotta pop the thing. And I was like, we gotta get it out. I was like, we gotta get it out. I started pushing on it. What would you say? Shit, over pressure. And that piece now.
Yeah. So when y'all told me to turn it was hard to turn.
Yeah.
Probably all that pressure it had already, huh?
Yeah, it was all that pressure, dude.
Turning it wasn't helping.
Well, the thing is that, like we were talking about on the way back, we didn't notice that the sway bar
was touching the
was
lower
touching,
control arm.
was on the axle.
Oh, really?
So it was like every time we were like trying to push down on that part, and we were getting mad. We were like, man, the other side it came like it dropped.
Yeah, you
down.
noticed that, right? Another one, we kind of, because of
Yeah,
we
loosened.
jacked this side up. You jacked this side up, and we just pushed down, and it came
That's
out.
what happened. When,
This side, we were.
That's what happened.
So
when
if they, I guess if they do it at home, they need to make sure to have it just up in the air. Or
Yeah, well,
both of them in the air and take both sides apart.
Yeah, take both sides apart at the same time.
Don't
okay.
do one side and put it together. And
Yeah, because the way we did it, we put the BCs on the driver's side, done, like just how it is, done. And then we did the other side, and the tray bar was like that. So what you do is take them both off at the same time, and then put it together. At least that's what we, you know what I mean?
Unless we did some,
But yeah.
something else wrong.
Might be like, oh, you did it wrong. Then it's just
yeah,
whatever.
somebody will say that. But
Yeah, but
hey, we learned something.
Yeah. I ain't no, we're not no mechanics, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But simple things I could do, we could do.
we can do our simple stuff.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to consider this a simple job. Good. Alright, boys, this is it. There we go. Yes, sir. Damn.
Okay.
We'll pull it out right now. Check it out, guys. Check it out, rolling.
Holy shit.
Yep. I think you're tugging harder. Well, you're at an angle. I have to pull it out right now because pull it out on a flat surface. On the street, maybe. Okay. It looks a little bit lower in the rear. I'm about to find out. We're at an angle right now.
That looks cool.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. Yeah. It's tugging a little harder in the rear. A little bit. There she is. In all her glory. Little bit, yeah. Damn. She looks sick. Reminds me of my car when I first got it dropped. Yep. Donking over there right now. It's raining. No deal, pal. Yeah, take it for a little drive. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. We're all finished up with Kuzos coilovers. So had to bless him down with my coilovers. Now he got them. Keep them in the family.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
So hell yeah, man! Now both the coils sitting sick. Definitely want to get some pictures together, me and him or whatever, next to each other. So
yeah, it's raining. It's kind of dirty.
It's raining right now, but we'll get some, clean them up and take some badass pictures. Get a video probably on the next one. But yeah, man, finally got a drop. He's also got some lights, the V3 tail lights, just like mine. So stay tuned for that video. Actually, we're gonna do it right now. We're just gonna make this a 2-part video. So hold on, there's an Evo passing by. Yeah, nice little Evo. So yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. We almost 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there. I think we're like 1.94, something like that. So man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for more content. We might do a little giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. I don't know, nothing big. Probably some speakers or something. I mean, y'all let me know. We'll see though. And yeah, so we're about to put on these tail lights. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and Kuzo finally dropped it rolling.
Finally.
Yeah. You like it, Kuzo?
Oh, I love it, man.
Oh, sick. Definitely gives a different look. Yeah, Kuzo used to have an old Civic back in the 2001. Back in the Fast and the Furious days, body kit days. So it kind of reminds of him. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one. Sauce.